Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Paul Lucario. I'm going to be a captain on this flight from Bangkok to Hong Kong. With me today, we do have my good friend Simon Mugo, I beg your pardon. You have to edit that one. And the equipment which we are using today, we are flying the latest, one of the latest arrivals to our fleet, which is the Boeing 787. Excellent aeroplane with the latest technology in terms of navigation, very fuel efficient and easy to maintain, and to fly to, I must say. This is a pilot dream, I must say. We do hope that you are going to enjoy your filming.
Flightdeck, sir. Engine start, clear, sir.
Thank you. We are starting right and left engine. Start right and left.
Starting right engine.
Roger, right and left, clear.
Thank you.
Starting left. Once it starts motoring up, now the engine is actually starting and fuel is now flowing.
Kenya 860 taxi to holding point runway 01 left, follow Cathay Pacific coming from your left via Golf, Hotel off, Hotel 1.
One left, Kenya 860.
Approach is clear.
Clear right.
Checks before takeoff, checks below the line.
For takeoff, check takeoff briefing.
Have a V2 of 165, heading 015 today, Laos fit. We'll take it on V nav, L nav.
Cabin ready and clear. Cabin crew, your seats for takeoff is complete. Before takeoff check is complete.
Before takeoff check is complete, thank you.
Kenya 860 when airborne contact 119.25 into 70 degrees 6 knots runway 01 left, clear for takeoff.
Airborne 119.25, clear for takeoff 01 left, Kenya 860.
Happy?
Yep, ready?
Let's go.
Stable. Thrust trap.
Check.
Lao 224 left, manipulate runway 01 left.
Lao manipulate runway 01 left, Lao 224.
Eighty knots hold.
Check.
D1. Rotate. Positive rate.
Gear up.
Gear up. And down.
Check.
Thrust ref VNAV speed.
Check.
Departure Kenya 860 out of 700 feet. That's 1 Bravo departure.
Kenya 860, departure identified from the 6,000 feet and restricted.
Climb 6,000 feet unrestricted, Kenya 860.
6,000 feet. Engage autopilot.
Kenya A60, contact Bangkok Control 133.1.
133.1, Kenya 80.
Now 224, climb to
Bangkok Control, Kenya 860 out of 1604 and a 0 heading 00. Kenya 860, Bangkok Control, สวัสดีครับ Radar contact now, fly heading 060, radar vector for spacing climb flight level 270. Heading 060, climb flight level 270, Kenya 860.
Heading 060,
Check.
altitude 270.
Check. Thai Smile 007 now clear direct to Terry, Terry 1 Bravo.
Ladies and gentlemen, your captain. We've now settled at an altitude of 41,000 feet above mean sea level. That's 2,000 feet higher than I'd promised you, which translates to 12.5 kilometers. Still in Thai airspace, and I trust that we are all comfortable in the cabin. While safari is taking us further on a northeasterly route, we'll be crossing into Laos, then into Vietnam, and eventually China before we start our descent into Hong Kong. Weather is holding up with most of the clouds below. I do have remind you to keep your seatbelts fastened at all times whenever seated. I'll be speaking to you shortly before we land into Hong Kong. For now, sit back.